Hi guys, how's it going? Sam Payne here from Vagabond Vans. Thought I'd do another Top Tools episode. That is the episode of videos where I share with you the tools and techniques that have really helped me so far in the conversion. Try and keep the videos really short and sharp and just really highlight a few aspects of a tool that I have found particularly useful. So today I'm going to be talking about this. So this is a laser measuring tool. I bought it from Amazon. I think it was about 15 quid. But basically this can not necessarily replace, but certainly supplement your tape measure. Really easy to use, very accurate, particularly useful when you're taking measurement longer than a metre and a half, perhaps trying to do a length measurement of the van. Particularly useful when you're initially starting out and you're taking internal measurements of your van so that you can plan and design all of your furniture. So yeah, really easy to use. This one, you turn it on by the read button there. It records up to 4 measurements at any one time. Like for your last 4 measurements, so say I wanted to measure to the back of the van, to the doors, I'd butt this up against the surface that I want to measure, hit the button, you can then see the red laser dot, hit the button again, that's locked it in, and would you believe it, it's actually slap bang on 2 meters there, which is quite funny. It's got a couple of little spirit level bubbles on, so you can make sure you're kind of getting level measurements, although not particularly useful in a van, because if your van's not on a flat surface, then obviously it's not necessarily going to be level. You can switch where you take the measurement from, so I generally got it set up to measure from the back of the reader here, but you can also take measurements from the front. So yeah, let's say that I just wanted to measure from my wardrobe here to the bulkhead. Really easy to do that. Simply put the laser measurer against the bulkhead. It's going to be measuring from the back of it there. Hit the button, you can then see the laser over there on the bulkhead. We'll go on top of the rib there, press it again, and that is 1.838 meters. So yeah, I would thoroughly recommend that you get one of these. And it says it measures up to 40 meters, which is quite impressive. You can do all kinds of other clever things, like measure areas and perimeters and volumes, and I don't know, I just want to measure lines really. But yeah, buy one. 15 quid makes your life a lot easier, especially if you're working on your own. Cheers guys.